Okay, good morning. It's day 147 for 2021. It's a Thursday. Yesterday was pretty okay for me, profitable. Let's get started for today. Today's watch list. Okay, Aussie Canadian, we've got the trigger. Yesterday, the daily bias. We got an extended run crossing the 5, so just take note. First cross here. 2 hour push up, pull back. Not really. This slightly higher pullback, so yeah, if this were to go any higher, yeah, this pullback is just not very nice. This would have been maybe the trigger. To here is about 2R, which seems okay. We're just back to this high. We still got 1R, so we'll just set it in. Just isn't super nice, the pullback. It's a one big bar pullback. So we'll just watch this. Let's remove this one. We were looking at the trade yesterday, so this didn't work out. Yeah, we haven't triggered the high of the low price, the buy. Yeah, because we were looking at this push up and a pullback, but this pullback is so deep now, I don't want to trade the pullback. We were thinking pullback here to this level. We were aiming this level yesterday, pull back and push back up, but it didn't happen, so no trade. Any trade for today? No trade yet. We need to wait. Aussie Yen. This trend line is just to show that it's still holding this trend. On the 2 hour, made a high, pullback is very deep. If this pullback was here, if the pullback was to here and up, we might have taken that, but nope, it's pullback down here, so it's no longer valid. I don't want to trade this anymore. It's not really to trade the downside either. Aussie, New Zealand. Yeah, the New Zealand yesterday was the pair to play. I managed to get on, and I entered the trade during the watch list creation, if you can refer back. But let's take a look at this now. Right now, yeah, it's down already, so we could do the 80-20 play, or what is known as the failure test. Failure test means failure to break more to the downside. So if this thing closes below the low and it comes back up, we will take the buy as a failure test setup. So I'll set the alert here. Failure test buy. I'm only doing that. It's a quick failure test. Is a quick, smaller position size trade. You want to minimize your risk. You want to manage your risk. So if it breaks down and it breaks back up above this level, we'll take the long for a quick trade. So I'll set it up as something we'll look at. Only doing it because of this big 4 days of down push, and the last one was huge. So let me take a note. Failure test buy, also one is known as a 2080. So we'll see what happens. Aussie dollar on the daily time frame, nothing. On the 2 hour, yeah, marginally on the downside here, but no trade. Cat Swiss, we've been waiting for this to break forever. Finally did, but even then, right, we wanted this part to break. It broke down, but price action is just not so nice, and I didn't find a nice entry. Maybe this was in hindsight, this was the best entry here, but even then you had to take it on this close, meaning your downside was quite limited. But I'm okay not taking this trade. I don't like it, I don't take it. I'm still profitable, so I don't need to force trades. Let's see, Cat Yen on the daily chart is still stuck in this range here, this 3-bar range here. So let's remove this. You can see on the 2 hour, yeah, you with this thing here, this breakdown and this pullback, so you could almost maybe force a trade. I won't say force, but you could have taken this trade here. You'll still be in it, right? Push down a lower low compared to these two swings, so this is a lower low, so downside is somewhat confirmed. A pullback and a bearish candle close, so you entered here, set a stop loss, and here you got 1.1 1.9 R. You came back to somewhat this level here too, so this could have been a trade. I'm just gonna watch it. Right now, still hasn't closed out. You only got like 0.3, maybe 0.5 R or 0.6 R here. Just not so nice. It's okay, but not so nice. Swiss Yen. You obviously can see this breakout here, and now we've got this lower low, so it's like looking kind of weirdish like that. Don't really want to trade this because yeah, we still got this. So let's wait for something to happen. I don't want to trade the upside on this anymore. Definitely don't want to trade the upside. Might go up higher. Okay, so for Swiss Yen, I'm not gonna trade anything right now until this level breaks. So we'll just set it there and we'll come back. Euro, Aussie dollar, we've got the sell. Other than that, the 2-hour charts, it's not particularly nice as well. Yeah, the pullback is just deep, and it's just not very nice anymore, although this is a lower low, a low swing. So pull back down here. Yeah, but not very nice, so I won't trade it, not like that. Euro CAD, narrow range. Narrow range trading yesterday. Yeah, how do you trade this, right? Still up, just eyeballing it, you can see. Not gonna do anything until like if this push down, and then we'll take the pullback. Other than that, nothing worth trading here. Euro Swiss on the daily, still a mess. 2 hour, nothing that I would trade. Euro British pound, still no lower swing, so still uptrend temporarily. Yeah, it's just missing something here. Doesn't look quite right. We just want it to show its hand a bit more. So no trade on this. Euro Yen, inside bar yesterday. It's trying to break to the downside, trying to reverse, but there's nothing really here on the 2 hour for us to play, so it's just a waiting game. We'll just wait some more. Euro New Zealand, okay, so this was because of the New Zealand dollar. The news, it's probably a news driven event. So definitely a wide range. So wide range today, most likely a consolidation. Candle day. We could also do the failure test trade, break low and come back up, so this might be it. In the morning, go up, push down. Yeah, so we kind of need to see this. Let's see if this gets triggered. A failure test, we want it to go lower a bit and then come back up. Euro dollar, we did get the trigger here on the sell. We got one sell, fake out, one sell, worked a bit, one sell didn't work, we got fake out. So could this be it? We got 1, 2, 3 tests and it still didn't really reverse, except this one maybe a bit, not a full reversal, just a bit to the downside, but the rest have been failures. So this one here, could this be the reversal we're looking for? Yeah. But we won't sell here, obviously. We need to wait for some sort of a pullback. So let's set alert. We'll set a marker. We want some sort of like a pullback. A decent pullback will be good. So we'll wait for that. British pound, Aussie. We got the extended run. On a 2 hour, just not really nice to trade anymore. Nothing obvious, so we'll leave it as it is. And I'm not sure, I don't really want to trade. I mean, even if you want to trade, it looks half and a half. It looks like he has broken to the upside, back again, a pull back, and then a pull up again. But I don't really, I'm not a big fan of this kind of moves. It's not impulsive enough. So I'll just leave it as it is. British pound Canadian, straight away I don't want to trade this at all. No edge. British pounds, we see what a mess. British pound yen range continuing to get, it's just getting tighter. So we wait for something. No point wasting your emotional capital trading this. British pound, New Zealand, likewise. So wide range. Yeah, if there's anything, same idea, we do the failure test method, let it try to break down this low. So we are playing the fade. If anything else, British pound, US dollar, very similar to euro, where we got one sell, two sell. This is the third trigger, so might be the final straw where this one reverses. So I would think the pullback sell is in play, so I'm gonna watch this. Right, some sort of pullback, maybe to here. So although this part down hasn't been really nice, so we do want some pullback. To give us enough risk reward, right? I need enough RR for this to take this trade. So that's it. We'll just come back to that. New Zealand CAD. Yeah, so New Zealand dollar was a mover yesterday. So just set alert here just to let me know. I only want to take the failed test coming back. If this thing goes down now, I'm not gonna do anything. Yeah, so same thing. We're trying to play the failed test. You must at least try and touch or break this. So yesterday, this was my trade. I think I highlighted it in the watch list. In fact, I think I took the trade while doing the watch list, which I seldom do. So this was a nice level. Break and retest the pullback, and then boom, it exploded. So my RR was almost 2.8, almost 3, but it still shot through that. Well, you just can't catch every single pip in the market, so you take what you can. So this one, yeah. So New Zealand dollar pairs just exploded yesterday, so we're looking for some sort of consolidation. And even if there's some more upside, I seldom take these trades. So I'll just leave it and we'll just wait for when the opportunity comes again. So New Zealand dollar, well, certain situations you will take this pullback, right? I mean, you got the push, pullback, you got a nice test on the weekly here. Looks decent, but not super nice. Not super nice because of this. It's at the monthly level. Not to say it won't go higher. Yeah, but I'll just set it up anyway. I'll just set pullback buy. Let's see, push up, pullback, buy. The question is there enough RR for this to a conservative target? 0.87, not quite enough. So maybe we wanted to push down some more, break from here. So we'll see. I'll just set this here. Not something I like because right now, yeah, I don't know if this level will break, right? I mean, yeah, it didn't close above. This candle didn't close above, so might be a rejection. So we'll just watch this. This one I'll watch. Even if it's a position, it'll be maybe a smaller position. US Canadian, yeah, I was waiting for the break. And it's still stuck in this level. Still not so nice. I was looking for a pullback yesterday here, but the pullback was so quick. One candle pullback. Even on the 15-minute, I saw the charts. It was really hard to catch this pullback. So not something I trade. Right now, this is gone. It's reached its target. Don't know what you'll do, so we'll just leave it. US dollar, Swiss, yeah, nice. So look at that. We got 1, 2, 3. Another one. Could this be the final reversal? Always tough, isn't it? So yeah, we got a higher swing here compared to this. So got the pullback. Right, so where do we take this trade? How do we take this trade? If this candle closes bearish, maybe we'll consider. But the pullback, obviously here, zooming in, that's not nice. Okay, US dollar, yen. This looks really nice. This looks decent. This looks decent in the pullback. So looks like the US dollar pairs are in play because we got the Euro US dollar doing the sell, British pound doing the sell. So the US dollar pairs are doing the pullback buy. So it makes sense. It's kind of in sync. So you got this zone here. Remember, the pullback may miss the whole zone, may overshoot the zone, you never know. So you have to go with the flow in the market here. So a new high, this is the new high. So definitely interested in looking at this. Okay, so that pretty much covers the US dollar, the Forex. Let's go indices. We got the narrow range. So, okay. This looks like some range expansion is about to happen. So we don't know upside, downside. Let's set triggers. And then we'll just wait for the US or London session to kick in for some action. Nasdaq, similar to narrow range. So consolidation. So waiting for some action. Yeah, the Dow also, but I'm not going to set any alerts. We've got those two to trigger. Aussie indices, we got some sort of a head and shoulders here, so we've got to wait for the level to break. It's not very nice, so I'll just set alert here. Just set it, even if it hits, you know. Nikkei, bit of a mess here. Not gonna trade this. Tried a bit of a quick shot yesterday, so I closed it at break even. This was the FTSE. I saw the push down, the pullback, and I traded, entered. I took a I exited my trade here. That's fine, you know. So now there's nothing I want to trade here right now. Yeah, this looks like it's just squeezing in on the range, so let's wait for something to happen. Okay, crude, two push, consolidation, another consolidation. So let me just set my alerts back again. Let's wait for something to happen, because like that, what do you want to do with this? No trade. Silver, let's remove this alert. This one is anything on the daily other than this trend line that's holding. On the daily, it just looks really messy, right? I mean, you look at this. Look at these candles here. It's not giving you any edge. It's not telling you anything. So even if this line breaks, I seldom do anything. I don't trade trend lines. It's just there to help me, give me a guide. Other than that, nope. Gold broke up, pull back. So yeah, even more upside again. Got a double bottom here. Weekly level, go back somewhere, close, doesn't even have to go to the top. Yeah, looks decent. I'm just setting low values just to get my risks up. So yeah, this one I'm gonna trade this pullback maybe. Looks good. Looks decent enough. Well, I guess this is it. This is today's watch list. Good luck trading. Some decent ones to watch. We'll check back again tomorrow. Cheers.